Okay, I welcome you to this short demo of the software that is being advertised. Okay, as a way of introduction, my name is Okamaka Amis. I'm a chartered accountant and I have interest in helping small businesses keep good records. I do that using simple, affordable, or free cloud tools. Okay, alright, then as a way of clarification, this is not a school management online portal. This is not a school management online portal. This is an accounting stroke invoicing software. Okay, this is an accounting stroke invoicing software. It is not a school management online portal. Okay, now this is designed, not that the software is designed. This course is designed for schools who do not have money to go for online management portal, but they need a simple software that they want to use to keep track of their income and expenses. Okay, I resell a school management online portal, a school management portal called Schoolings. Look at it here. Look at the prices, 1,000 per student per term for standard. This is the one for premium and this is the one for ultimate. Okay, so if what you need is school management online portal, this is the one we resell and it is the best. You can check it out. It's so wonderful, so nice. It's comprised of an accounting because it was designed by an accountant. So all your accounting work, all everything that has to do with school, e-learning and all the students' information will be here. Okay, but I know during the course of my work with schools, I found out that many schools, they want to have a software to do their work, but they don't have money for software like this. Okay, they cannot incorporate this fees, this amount into their school fees based on their standard. So I had to research to find either simple, free or paid that is very cheap they can use. And that was why I came across this particular one. Alright, so this is not just simple and affordable, it is completely free. The money you are paying me is money for teaching you how to use it and following you all for 3 months until you're able to be strong and ensure that every financial activity in your school has started going through this software. Okay, here is where you record all students. Again, with this software you can record both the phone number of parents, the contact address and everything. Let me show you a sample of it. Okay, are you seeing it? This is where you put all the information. You twerk it. Instead of company, you have classroom. So I will teach you how to twerk this software to speak the language of schools. Here you can put the address of the child. This is where you put the information of the parents. If there's any other thing that is here, that is not here, but it is an important information like school ID is not here. Okay, and here you create it. I've already created it. Okay, I've taught you how to do it. Everything you see in school ID is not in the software, but you can create it. So my duty is to teach you how to convert this software to be a school software. Alright, here is where you register the fees and items that you sell. Okay, you classify the fee, basic 2 fees, basic 1 fees. Okay, here is where you attend to new students, people, not just new students, I mean prospective students, those that are making inquiry. All right, you can use the software to give them prospectus, and when they are ready, you build them. You don't need to build them separately. You convert the prospectus you've given them here to their bill. Here is where you bill every student. This is where you bill every student. Okay, this is a demo. That is why you're seeing it disjointed this way. When you get the course, you learn how to build so that as you're looking at here, you'll be seeing only one class. After the class, you see the next class. Okay, so here is where you sell your items. Aside fees that are compulsory. Let's say a child wants to buy a textbook or a uniform. It's not that everybody wants to buy it. This is from here you sell it. Okay, so this is where from here you receive advance fees. Alright, there are parents that might want to pay, let's say we're in first term, they want to pay second term, or you're in second, they want to pay for third term, as the case may be. You don't need to tell them to go with the money, no. You don't also need to include it as income for first term or second term, no. You will use this software to register it as an advance payment. The software is intelligent enough to separate it from your first term income and include it only in the income when it's supposed to be included. Okay, here is where you do, if you have all these online payment portal, all right, like your PayPal and all that. It has about more than 10 online portals that you can link to the software and collect your payment effortlessly. Here you receive payment after you've billed your students. Maybe those that made part payment, they now want to complete their payment. From here you bill and give them receipt. Okay, here is if that your school fees is the same every day, is the same. Okay, what will you do? Here is where you bill it so that you don't need to be billing every time. Okay, all right. Here is where you keep record of all your expenses. Okay, all the expenses. The software comes with list of expenses. And if it is not complete, you will be the one to include it. Okay, I'll also teach you how to do it. All right, you look at the card. It comes with all these expenses. I added this one because it didn't come with it. There are some like this one. I also have to change it to call it bank charges. So all these are included in the training course. All right, so this is where you do all your reports. Okay, you will view every report. If you want to view reports from students or pupils, here you can view this. You want to see the payment you've received here. For instance, I want to see the school fees I've billed, and those that are yet to pay. Are you seeing it? It's going to tell you what the fee is for, the people involved, what you bill them, and what is remaining. Okay, to show you what you bill them and what is remaining. All right, so it's telling you that these people are yet to pay. Okay, so if you also want to see those that are yet to pay, you go to balances. If you want to see the payment you've received, go here. You want to see your expenses report, you also have to go there. So this is what the software is all about. Okay, then aside this, I also included a template to help you track your inventory. Okay, your inventory of school uniform, your inventory of school fees, to also help you track your fixed assets like the chairs, the tables. Okay, I included a template for you. Let me quickly show you around the template too. Okay, so this is also a cloud template that I designed to augment the software. All right, which you can decide to use it on Excel or continue to use it in Google Sheets. So here you will list all that you sell. You have to sell exercise books, you sell textbooks, you sell stationery, you sell uniforms, and all other items that you sell. Okay, here you record as you purchase, because the other software you can use it to record the purchases. All right, so here you record as you purchase. All right, the software will not summarize it for you here. You're not to summarize. Okay, then this is where you record the items that you've sold. Okay, from the software you will sell them. Okay, then you will come here. This is for you to track it. So the only thing you put here is to get the items from the software and put here. All right, see what I mean here? Okay, see what I mean here? This is my report. All right, sorry. This is my report. Okay, so it's telling you now that you've sold 80 leaves 33. Okay, all you need to do is to come here and include that. Provided you've done your setup here, there is no other thing you will do. All you need to do is to come here, choose the item from the drop down, and put the quantity that you sold using the software. Okay, why are you doing this? You want to get the balance that is remaining. Look at why you're doing it. Look at the inventory movement. Okay, so you just want to know, let's say to the exercise book, the balance you have per time. So assuming what is here is 20. Okay, here is where you record all the opening balance For instance, if you buy this software now, let's say there are some uniform and books that were remaining before you got the software. This is where you put them as your opening balance. So as you record your purchases, the total comes here. You are not the one to write anything. It has been formulated for you. As you record your sales here, it summarizes it and brings it here, and here automatically you will see your balance. You are not doing anything here. All this information will come from this sales summary and also from your purchases summary. Okay, it is a great software. I also included a template to help you calculate your prepared expenses. Like you understand in the training, if you get a course, when you pay an expense like rent, okay, if you pay rent, let's say you pay rent of 200,000, and if that rent is for 1 year, it is wrong for you to go and, let's say you paid it this month of August, and it is wrong for you to say that rent expenses is for August. You need to spread it for 12 months, okay? So this is the calculator to help you spread it, and you will record it in this software. All right, this is not a training, I'm just telling you what to do. Okay, I also provided what I call a depreciation of fixed asset schedule. This will help you to track all your fixed assets to get their depreciation, because it should form part of your expenses, because it is from here you will save money to replace them when they get bad, when they're bad. Okay, also this is the template I included for you to track your cash. So if that you receive school fees from cash, all right, you'll be able to track it if you are interested. Okay, so that at any point in time you'll be sure that what is in your bank transfer and your cash correspond with what is in your bank statement. All right, so if this is what you want, you will enjoy this software and the corresponding one when you get it. Remember what I said, it is not for school that can afford school management online portal. It is for schools who cannot afford it, but they want to keep clean and good record. They need an accountant that will hold them by the hand and do that. They don't have money to employ an accountant to keep, but they just need someone who will work with them for a few minutes, coach them on what to do, and establish a relationship. So when their income has increased and they need an online portal, it will be very easy for them to come and get these schoolings and enjoy the wonders of it. Thank you so much for listening.